So, guys, US core durable good orders came at negative zero point 0.4, which is highly above the expected forecast of minus 0.5%. And when you look at the chart, on the 1 minute chart, we can see the initial spike, and now, since it was basically made purely by speculation, it just crumbled uh, on the profit taking. But what I'm expecting to happen is that prices are gonna go up. Okay, I'll be looking for a close above 1.30, 32, 31.6. Okay, and I will open a sell position with take profit at around 1.3010, okay, somewhere around this area, and a stop loss of around 1.3050, 45, somewhere around that.